I don't care about losing friends because the real ones are always with me. The ones who truly matter stick around, no matter the distance, no matter the time. They're the ones who see me for who I am, flaws and all, and choose to stay. Losing others? That's just life making room for the genuine souls who have my back through thick and thin. It's easy to get caught up in the fear of being alone, but I've learned that quality over quantity is what counts. The real friends, the ones who stand by me in the storm, are the ones who matter most. They're the ones who lift me up, who remind me of my worth, and who celebrate my victories as if they were their own. So let the others go. I'm not afraid of losing people who were never truly there for me. I'm grateful for the few who are, the ones who understand me without words, who stick around when things get tough. Those are the friends worth keeping, and they're all I need.